Once more, फिर से.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Tomato. फिर से.
Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tomato.
Come on, I'm still getting those calls from the clients. It's time to let it go. I'm gonna throw my phone.
And after that, you will see me, and after that, you will come to me and tell me that, Nishant, why that you in the past, like 2 months or 3 months ago? And
अपने ऊपर शक नहीं करना है. अब बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. जो शक कर रहे हो ना बीच बीच में मुझे देख के कि मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ, कुछ कह रहा हूँ.
I know I am lacking today in my speaking communication skills, or I have the fear of public speaking sometimes. To improve my communication skill. That's why I'm here in Happiness Institute. So I'm very happy here.
I like you, sir, because you are a good teacher. For you teach me.
Tomato, dal, water, tomorrow, dal, darling. Right? You have the tongue, flat tongue, right? Once more, what's this? Tomato. Right? You are saying it tomato. Now see, within 2 minutes, his tongue is gonna be amazing tongue, right?
Tomato.
फिर से
Tomato.
टोमेटो, राइट? आप तो बोले टोमेटो. अब आपको देखना है मेरी जुबान. वहां ले जाना और ऊपर और फोल्ड करके ऊपर. हाँ,
Tomato.
बोली.
Tomato.
फिर से एक बार once more.
Tomato.
वेट. जब भी कोई भी वर्ड, कोई भी लेटर ना निकले तो आपको क्या करना है, उसको एक्चुअली पिच मारना है. अब आपको एक प्रैक्टिस है. हिंदी, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? हिंदी, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? Little bit. Yeah. What is this?
This one is ta. No, sir?
हाँ, ta. It is ta. You are saying it ta, but I'm saying it ta. Ta. Tak, cut. Cut, tak, tak, tak. Now what do you have to say? You have to do in here.
Tuck. Once more. Wait. Tuck.
Tuck,
Tuck.
tuck,
Tuck.
tuck,
You have to see these people and you have to say 3 times. Tuck.
tuck,
Tuck.
tuck,
Tuck.
tuck.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Once more. फिर से.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Tomato. फिर से.
Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tomato.
2 मिनट के अंदर. 2 मिनट के अंदर निकल गया. Now once more. फिर से एक बार. अभी इसका मैंने नहीं कराया है. इसका नहीं कराया. Once more. Once more.
Pronounce it like this.
Exactly. Ta. It is ta. So first of all, what you have to do? Tuck.
Tuck,
Once more. Tuck.
tuck.
जुबान पे क्या करना है? जुबान पे एक प्रेशर मारना है. जैसे दरवाजा खुलता है ना. ठक. टक.
Tuck.
Now say.
Tall. No. Tall. What's very good? Tall. Very good. What's this?
Today.
What's this?
Tomorrow.
What is this?
Tall.
Say once more.
Tall.
Oh, once more.
Tall.
Once more.
Tall.
First of all, tuck.
Tuck.
Then once more.
Tall.
Okay, very good. Once more.
Tall.
No. Once more.
Tall.
Once more.
Tall.
Once more.
Tall.
Once more.
Tall.
Another word.
Tomorrow.
Very good. Another word.
Today.
Another word.
Tall.
और आपको इसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम झेलनी पड़ी.
Yes.
You faced a lot of problems because of your MTI,
Yes.
mother tongue interference or influence. But ये बहुत आसान है. थोड़ा सा इसका बस टेक्निक समझनी है. You have to understand the technique. Now, I'll ask you, okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, great. Do you like tomato?
Yes, I like tomato.
Very good. Am I tall?
Yes, you are tall.
Are you here today?
Yes, I'm here today.
That's amazing. Are you tall?
I'm tall.
Very amazing. All right. Coming tomorrow.
Yes, I'm coming tomorrow.
Very good. Are you tuck?
I'm tuck.
You know the meaning of tuck?
Yes, sir.
Are you tuck?
I don't know, sir.
You know the meaning of tuck?
हाँ.
कुछ समझ लेते हैं, अच्छा समझ लेते हैं. मैं भी नहीं पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता, right? So are you tuck? You know? Tomato, tuck. So are you tuck?
Yes, I'm takatak. I'm takatak.
Takatak. Vocal से बोला. I'm takatak.
I'm takatak.
Tall.
Today.
Tomorrow. Tall. Takatak. निकल गया. अब बचा da. Now what is this? D for da. Okay. He is what? Darling. Now what is this? Darling or darling? Now tell me.
Darling.
Darling? No.
Darling.
Again you have to do the same.
Da.
Da.
Same way.
Da.
Now say darling.
Darling.
Once more.
darling,
Once more. थोड़ा और इस पे emphasize करके.
darling,
Darling.
darling,
Once more.
darling,
Darling.
darling,
Doll.
doll,
थोड़ा और प्रेशर कर. Doll.
doll.
Simple. Now speak. अपना introduction दीजिए.
My name is Mayangbam Kennedy Singh. I'm basically from Manipur. Presently, I'm staying at Mahanibag.
Staying or staying.
I'm staying at Maharani Bagh. I have completed my BTech from MIT University. I'm here to improve my communication skills.
Very good. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good. Are you tall?
Yes, I'm tall.
Very good. Are you present today?
I'm present today.
Very nice. Okay. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
चलो 2 मिनट का रिजल्ट निकल के आ गया, लेकिन ये 2 मिनट का रिजल्ट दिखावे का रिजल्ट. मेहनत जब इस पे प्रैक्टिस होगी तब जाके आदत बन जाएगी. अभी तो मैंने टेक्निक बताई है. प्रैक्टिस इज योर वर्क, राइट? यू हैव टू डू practice. Understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me ask you a few questions. Are you here present? Are you present today?
Yes, I'm present today.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy today.
Are you tuck?
I'm takatak.
Are you tuck?
I'm takatak.
Okay, would you like to go to the hotel?
Yes, I like to go to the hotel.
Right. Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much. I'm a very important person. So are you very important? Now, I'm very important, right? Are you physically here or mentally here?
So I am physically and mentally both.
Both. Do you love your family?
Yes, cause I love my family.
Family nahi. I love my family. You have to just, this F will go like this. Your teeth will come. Family. I love my fe. I love my fano. Fe. I love my fano. Fe. Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Yes, I love my
Family.
family. I love my family. Do you love yourself?
Yes, I love myself.
Do you understand yourself?
Yes, I understand myself.
As I understand?
Myself.
Myself. Okay, that's fantastic. So, are you very important or you are very important?
I'm very important.
Do you like to come here?
Yes, I like.
Do you like playing bats and ball?
I like playing bat and ball.
Okay, fantastic. So you love it, right? Very nice. Fa, right? This is fa. And then we have tha, and then we have sha. जुबान को बीच में लाना है. ता, छोटा सा. जुबान में थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशन देना. Sha. Sha. Okay? Ja and then za. इसमें हल्का नॉर्मली बोलना जा. जा कब होता? इसमें थोड़ा वाइब्रेशन देना. जा. Alright. English में क्या होना चाहिए? थोड़ा वाइब्रेशन में. Yeah, of course. I just want to say that I like it because it's amazing. You're emotional, alone and letting go. For example, आप बहुत लाइफ में बहुत परेशान. You are in deep trouble, big problems, and you go to Kashmir. And go to actually, a very deserted or a very lonely valley. And then you are letting go of him. It's all right. I was in Delhi and I was having so many problems, but now let it go. Yes. Like, you're quitting all your. Okay, I was not a good student. Oh, it's fine. I let it go. Come on, I forget it. I want to forget it, man. Oh, I lost some of my relatives, but it was painful, but let it go. As वो होता है ना एक अपने आप को जैसे हिंदू रिलीजन में मानते हैं कि अपने आप को गंगा स्नान करके पुण्य करना, राइट? तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? लेट इट गो कर रहे हैं. यू आर रिमूविंग ऑल योर सिंस. हर पाप को हटा के आप पुण्य ले रहे हैं. तो उसी तरीके से लेट इट गो. यू आर बीइंग पॉजिटिव. अंडरस्टैंड? शुड वी स्टार्ट इट?
Hey everyone, I was in Shimla. I was going to the office every day. I was not making more money. My goal was to make money, but I was following the same routine every day. Now I'm in Kashmir and now I'm feeling like let it go. Now I'm in this beautiful place called Kashmir where all I can see is beautiful mountains, big trees, natural beauty, and all I can feel is peace. Wherever I'm going, I'm feeling energetic. And
now you have 2 zones. अब आपके पास 2 जोन है. एक तो आप थोड़ा पीछे गए तो आप शिमला में आपकी ऑफिस, ओह कम ऑन दिस शेड्यूल दैट शेड्यूल, पीछे गए थोड़ा.
Come on, I'm still getting those calls from the clients. It's time to let it go. I'm gonna throw my phone. I'm gonna enjoy the beauty of this place because this is the moment I have got. I just want to enjoy the time with the nature and let's focus on the moment right now and let's not focus on the work, I would say. Yes. And maybe someday I'll get married.
Mr. Sonic, in a more effective way. I'll give you one more challenge.
Okay.
Where you are talking to the guard just for all your situations and conditions, right? When you are talking to the guard that, hey guard, will you help me? Actually, I'm in pain.
But I have accepted everything like whatever. It's like okay.
Coming to the guard.
No, I don't blame actually.
You will challenge.
Okay, sure.
Challenge number 3 is these people are laughing on your confidence
Oh,
and public speaking. You are making them believe and trust that one day will come and Sonic will be there.
okay.
That all the entire world they be just clapping, and you have to just make that powerful expression. Hey everybody, you think that I cannot.
Hey everybody, I just want to share a story with you. And I do remember, can I share a story, sir? So there was a time when I was in school. What happened that day? I was told to go on the stage. And what happened? That day I made a decision. Maybe this is the time. I'm just filming the situation. Yeah, today I might have forgotten the topic name, but one day, let me tell you from the bottom of my heart, it may be a month later or 6 months later, doesn't matter. As long as I'm trying, I'll make sure that one day you all are going to witness my success. Whenever I'll be in public, you are going to tell exactly that he is the same guy who used to study with us. So now he has changed. How come he has changed so much? Because I'll be trying that day. I'll be trying on a regular basis. Everybody, if you all still stay at the same place, so I really believe that we should be trying. I mean, the message he has given to us, we have to improve ourselves on a regular basis. So this is what I'm going to do. And exactly, after I'll meet you guys after 2 months and you are going to notice a big change in me. This is what I just want to tell you.
Myself is Sant Kumar, and I'm in class 12 to be at right now. And yeah, I accept that in some point of time I am underconfident, and I think it's part of the life. Yeah, but I am still trying to reach there. I think in the future, if I will be consistent, I can be confident in whatever I wanna be.
इसको थोड़ा emphasize करके बोला. अभी आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, आप कैजुअल कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो. अब इसको आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लाखों की भीड़ में बोल रहे हो. इसको आपको थोड़ा impactful बनाना है, right? You saw right, and standing here, you were thinking about me that I can't speak or I can't communicate or I can't develop my personality, but you are wrong. I would prove you that you are wrong. One day will come that when Nishant will be just doing something. लाखों की पब्लिक में बोल रहे हैं, आपको impactful थोड़ा emphasize.
So yeah, I can prove you in the future that whatever in the position right now I am, I will not have the same position in the future. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to tell me something in front of you. And yeah, I accept that in some point of time I am underconfident. So, but I can assure you.
Stay focused, मैंने क्या emphasize करना है. It's all right. This time I'm shivering. It's all right. I'm just missing some words. It's all right. My personality is not amazing, but one day, trust me, I will change myself. I promise this. Trust me, I will do this. I assure you. Vachan deta हूं.
I am shivering right now. It's all right. I am looking underconfident. It's all right. I am not able to express my words in front of you, but in the future, I can assure you that, and I'm not only assuring that you will find and see me, and you will also tell me that, okay, Nishant, you are changed.
And you will come to me and ask me, hey Nishant, are you the same Nishant that you were 2 months back? My God, I'm completely shocked after seeing your great change and transformation.
And after that, you will see me, and after that, you will come to me and tell me that, Nishant, why that you in the past, 2 months or 3 months ago? And
अपने ऊपर शक नहीं करना है. अब बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. जो शक कर रहे हो ना बीच बीच में मुझे देख के कि मैं कुछ सोच रहा हूँ कुछ कह रहा हूँ,
तक नहीं करना है सर, सोच रहा हूँ आगे क्या बोलूं।
आगे बस यही सब थोड़ा ताम झाम रखो।
समझ रहे हैं ना, वही बाबू सामोना वाली टेक्निक इधर अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? यू टॉक अबाउट बाबू सामोना। What an expression! I like it.
There is not any kind of expression, sir.
Huh? बाबू सामोना, थाना था है? Okay, all right. थाना था या नहीं?
Do you know?
I'm not confused to here.
Do you know about Babu?
No.
Don't know about Babu. Where are you from? Which state?
Bihar.
Bihar.
Mm-hmm.
In Bihar, we call a small kid, छोटा बच्चा,
Yeah.
Babu.
Yeah.
So you are.
No, I am not married. I am not any kind of relationship. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. I am the babu of my parents. Yeah, so
That's the right answer. यही आंसर चाहिए. You are the Babu of your
parents. Yeah.
parents. That's fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
I like it.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I know I am shivering and I know I have self-doubt. Oh, sorry. Okay, back to the point. So I was saying that today, whatever I am, and I can't eye contact with the people. Okay, sir. Eye contact with the ma'am. Sorry. Only.
Everyone.
Okay, everyone. Whatever I am today, I don't care. And I don't care what people think about me. I know I am lacking today in my speaking communication skills, or I have the fear of public speaking sometimes, but I don't care. I have to just be focused on my communication skills, and I have to focus the weakness point where do I am lacking, and I will assure all of you that 2 months after I will work on it. Definitely, I will really work hard and I will improve it as much as I can do. I have a story like when I was in school, I used to think like when I used to see the videos on YouTube, so I thought that how they speak so well. And I used to, when I was a child, in 9th or 10th standard, so I used to think like how they give the interview. This is so mind blowing, wonderful, how they speak so well. And I was like, and how can I say like them? I used to practice in front of the mirror and I was thinking, okay, I can also speak. I used to ask to my father, he was an English teacher that time. So he told me that, beta, read structures of the tenses, read phrasal verbs, read whatever you can. And I used to wrote structures. So I used to write structures of the tenses and I used to learn that. And whatever then after coming to the college in Delhi, I saw the girls of my own college. They are originally from Delhi and they speak so well English. And I thought that I have to be like them. Not like them. I have to be my best version of myself. I don't need to compare myself. I don't need to be like them. I want to be my own. I want to be unique in myself and I have to own it. I have to work on it. I have to improve it. I have been practicing since 2 years on this language. For 2 years, okay? I have been practicing for 2 years and I improved a lot when I see myself 2 years back. And whatever I am today, I really improved myself. That is a great transformation in myself. And I am very grateful today for whatever I am. And I am very confident and I am very thankful to myself that I did it.
Very good. Very good, Priya.
Hello everyone, my name is Afika Ali. So I want to speak English, but I don't speak properly. I came here to improve my communication skill. That's why I'm here in Happiness Institute. So I'm very happy here. Thank you, bless up. Really, I'm also practicing in front of mirror. And I'm listening one of the lady, she's from Pakistan and she met an accident, car accident, and she was disabled. She had damaged her spinal cord, and all the ribs was damaged, and she was totally, I can say, about dead. Then many people came and went to the hospital. Went to the hospital her, and now still she's a public speaker. She's a good speaker. She's a very nice public speaker. Then I also inspired Abdullah sir, and one of the lady, she's also from Pakistan. Her name is Malala Yusuf. Yes, and then I'm listening her. I'm listening also Dr. Sumita Roy.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir. To improving my English language, sir, I'm eagerly waiting of that time when I will be a good speaker. Sir, I want to speak, but words are not coming. Many times I think I want to get put in my hand to my mouth and get the words from my mouth. Then I feel very good here. In 2 days, I'm improving much. Then when these are small kids, my daughter is in 10th class. Then I'm inspiring these all people. So I like everyone here. They are very helpful. Then when I came here, one of the student was outside. She tell me, ma'am, ask me questions, ask me 5 questions. So I'm very happy. I feel very happy. I feel very good. Then I tell him, I told him, I told her also. Then Abhishek was there also. Yes, I like also Abhishek. So I like, sir, thank you, Ubla sir. You given me a chance to speak here. So I'm very happy.
Very nice.
One day I will be a good speaker. Thank you.
Someday you will be a great speaker, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell them in 10 sentences that what you will do in future.
Good social worker. Yes, sir. I want to working on education. I want to working on health, because I want to work. Then because the health system of India is very bad. Then I want to work.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhishek. So this time I am unconfident. So my English is not well. I am not speaking well. I cannot speak well. I am shivering. This time I am shivering. I am not speaking in well, because one day I prove that to you. I will. I am speaking good. I will speaking, and I speak.
I will speak.
I will speak, and I am good speaker. I like you, sir, because you are a good teacher. For you teach me.
Okay, I am your guru.
Yes, you are guru. Yeah, I love my mother.
You are your mother.
Yeah.
Her grandfather.
And grandfather is not here. Firstly, one day I came Happiness Institutes. I was shivering, and I have not a stage fear, but I had not a stage fear, but I am not speak single word in English. I had not speak single words.
Could not speak single.
I could not speak single words in English, and but little bit I built confidence.